Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Just doing a quick video from Sydney, Australia. We've got this emerald inside the GemLightbox Macro, and I'm just going to show you guys how this looks. So as you know, the GemLightbox Macro, we have a 10x zoom, so it's going to capture all the beautiful details on this emerald, and it's going to be very good for anyone who wants to sell their gemstones online. So as it's moving, we can see all the beautiful colors inside the stone and all the details, and we're still getting that nice white background. You can also do a 90 or 45 degree video, so you can show the stone moving back and forth without seeing the back of the stone. Very good, really nice details coming through there. And then we also have a 45 degree video for really quick videos. Fantastic. So lastly, we're going to finish with a photograph. And as you can see with the photos, due to that 10x zoom, we can see all the fine details on there, which is really important. So I'm going to quickly show you how this emerald looks in real life compared to the videos that we just took. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about the GemLightbox Macro, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.